Excuse me, ma'am. I think you're in my seat. Oh, this is my seat. Mine is 12A. Great. And the 12A is that one. Well, mine is D. We can swap. I will stay here. You go over there. No, I don't want to sit there next to the toilet. I book this one. I'm already sitting here. It's exactly the same. I paid more for this one. Come on, they're all the same price. No, they are not all the same price. Ugh. Is there a problem here? This is my seat, but you're sitting in it. Ma'am, may I see your boarding pass, please? Take. Ma'am, this is not your seat. Yours is back there. I can help you move your luggage. Sorry. So annoying.